Now, I want to get you back to the tropics because we officially now have Tropical Depression 18, winds of 35 miles per hour. Later on today, forecast to become a tropical storm, which would then be Rafael. And then from there, before making landfall in Cuba on Wednesday morning, it'll be a Category 1 hurricane. After it makes landfall, it's going to emerge in the Gulf of Mexico with winds of 80 miles per hour, continuing to maintain its strength. But there is still the idea that there may be some weakening by Saturday as it interacts with some upper level wind shear from a stalled front. But the possibility of it making landfall in the panhandle of Florida, possible. That's going to be the far right side of that track, but still there is still some favorability that it may stay out in the Gulf of Mexico. Let's show you those two major models, GFS and European. GFS is favoring it getting very close to the panhandle of Florida, which would mean our impacts here in Central Florida include squally weather and the potential for some tornadoes, whereas the European keeps in the Gulf of Mexico with no impact to us. So we still need to fine tune exactly where it's going to go. Is it going to move into the northern Gulf Coast? Is it going to give us impacts here, or will we just see dry conditions? The timing is really Wednesday, Thursday, potentially lingering into Friday. That's when we'll be watching the tropics. And then by Saturday and Sunday, our forecast returns back to normal, up to about a 20% coverage of rain. Don't go anywhere. We will be right back.